Hello, it's Paul from Myrtle Limited. This is an XJ6 XJ12 Series 3 computer surround. These were used from 1981 through to 92 on all XJ6 Series 3 models. As you can see, it's held on with two screws at the bottom of the panel. That's beneath the radio surround. And it has the four switches in, interior lamps, hazard warning lamps and heated rear window. Also has the holes there for the Daimler or Jaguar logo, the cigar lighter, the panel dim, and this one's got an aperture for a trip computer, and yet some have a smaller clock aperture. As you can see, it's veneered on a piece of steel, has all the studs and bracketing on the rear of it, and it's finished in high gloss polyester lacquer. Once you've removed these two screws, the panel just drops down. You unplug the various electrical fittings and take the panel away, transfer the switches over, push the panel back into place, replace the screws, and the job's finished.